Hey guys, you probably haven't seen me with a new video in a while, and there's a good reason for that. So remember I told you in a short that I had a accident? Well, this is what happened. So this is why I'm not riding the scooter right now. It's sitting parked in the garage, and speaking of the garage, see that hole up there? This is kind of where I fell from. I was putting something in the attic. I was on the very top of the ladder and I fell completely down about 10 feet on my right ankle. So yeah, I kind of broke the ankle in 3 places, and it's been an ordeal. But I have to just keep chugging along, and I do the best I can. This is pretty much what the ankle looked like. You know, I got about, 12 screws, a plate, and all that holding it together. And it's only been a little bit over a month now, but I'm already starting to walk. The problem is at home I have to navigate a couple stories because we have a traditional 2-story. So I work in the basement for my day job, and that presents a problem getting up and down the steps. So what do? I have to crawl one by one up to the top of the steps on the main floor where I can hop on the knee scooter. And this knee scooter is pretty cool. It's actually been a lifesaver. I got it off Amazon. I'll put a link below. If anyone ever needs a knee scooter, this is an awesome one. I'm not getting endorsed by this. When I find good products, I like to share them. But it has all the traditional stuff like the brakes. It even has a locking brake system for stability if you choose to buy one with a locking brake, which I would recommend because I use it all the time. And then I have to put the boot on when I want to practice walking. So that's kind of an ordeal, but I'm getting it down to a science. So this is my routine. I got to hobble over to the desk, then I got to hobble over to the stairs and whatnot. But I've been managing, like I said, maybe 5 weeks ago I did this, and I'm already starting to walk even without a boot on. So not too much longer I can ride again. So thanks for being patient with me. I think I'll probably make a video here, I would say, within the next month. I could probably get out there and ride and do something. But again, it sucked that it happened right on Mother's Day, and then that was like the first part of spring. So I've been laid up ever since Mother's Day. And, it's kind of like 95 degrees out there right now, so I'm not really missing that. But we'll get back in shape. We'll get out there. It's coming along nice. I'm doing PT now twice a week. And before you know it, I'll be well on my way. So thanks for hanging in there, and we'll see you on the next one.